You know what most people get wrong about confidence? They think it's something you're born with, but it's not. Confidence is built, brick by brick, choice by choice. Confidence doesn't mean you never doubt yourself. It means you choose to act, even with the doubt. You feel the fear, and still move forward. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need one thing: you, believing in you. Every time you show up, every time you try again, every time you speak up, even with a shaky voice, you're building it. That version of you who walks taller, who knows their worth, who doesn't wait for approval. They're not far away. They're inside you, waiting. So stop waiting for the world to give you permission. Stop thinking you're not enough yet. Confidence isn't something you find. It's something you become. And it all starts with a choice.